So today we're gonna be looking at how you can make $2,000 per week with PostMates, okay? We're gonna break down strategies, actually what you can do as a PostMates driver, any other apps you should be utilizing in order to hit that $2,000 a week amount, and then also in the end, be able to hit, if you can do that for 52 weeks, that's well over $100,000 per year. So can you really achieve financial freedom doing PostMates? You're gonna find out. Before we jump in, if you are looking for a new way to make money, there's an incredible way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing for over 5 years now. It's how I was able to buy this house I was sitting in, that I am sitting in Southern California, and really allowed me to get out of the gig economy space and really achieve financial freedom. So this is one of my YouTube channels. I have several. So far this year, it's May, it's half the year's almost over, and I've been bringing in just about 10,000 bucks a month. Last year I brought in over 10,000 bucks a month, some days hitting over $1,000 in a day. And this is just one channel. I have two other channels that are bringing in money essentially passively. So if you want to learn how to do it, click the link below. There's a 30-day free trial where I teach you everything you need to know to get started, start making money, breaking down income strategies, growing your page, and even a group chat where we will help each other get monetized and actually, skyrocket your channel to success. So check that out below, grab your 30-day free trial, but without further ado, let's dive right in. So today we're looking at Reddit, and this comes in the subreddit PostMates on Reddit. It says, can anybody make $1,000 to $2,000 a week? So somebody actually, talked about this. Jimmy Lee Music, he said, I've made $2,500 in a week. He juggled though 4 apps and worked 12 to 16 hour shifts. PostMates, DoorDash, Caviar, and Grubhub. Took some trial and error to learn to use all 4 at the same time, but well worth it. Now, I need to say, a little disclaimer. These apps highly discourage, it's actually against terms of service to use multiple apps at the same time, meaning if you're picking up a Grubhub and then you gotta sign off on all the other apps. You can't go Grubhub, oh, I'm doing a pickup for Grubhub, let me stop and do my DoorDash one on the way, let me do PostMates. So this guy's saying, well, he did just that. He was operating against their terms of service. And again, a lot of people do this, but just keep that in mind, because it's, if they find out, if they see you go to Chipotle and then you went way out of the way to go to Taco Bell, and then that person complains that the Chipotle arrived late, food's cold, just be wary of that for sure. He says, what are your thoughts on Caviar compared to the others? Just recently heard about it here. Is DoorDash a lot like PostMates? I'm thinking about signing up for it. Give it a try. Their pay sucks. On the app, they will say $6 delivery. If the customer tips $5, DoorDash only pays $1. Whoa. So he's actually saying that DoorDash takes around 80% of his tips. So that's pretty interesting, because I'm pretty sure, does DoorDash give 100% of tips? I'm pretty sure on their website, it claims, yeah, look at this. On their website, it claims every dollar a customer tips is an extra dollar in the Dasher's pocket. 100% of tips received by DoorDash go to the Dasher on top of base pay and promotion. So I wonder why this guy's saying that DoorDash is actually taking, a lot of his tips. He says, my best is around $1,300 in 7 days. So a lot of people say on PostMates, the only way they're able to hit 2,000 bucks a week is by juggling multiple apps and doing 12 to 16 hour shifts. So let's just really quickly, if you're doing 16 hour days times 7 days a week, you're looking at 112 hours. So if you're, hitting $2,000, divide that by, what was that again? Sorry, I lost my train of thought. 16 times 7, 112. So 2,000 divided by 112 hours. You're really making about 17 to 18 bucks an hour, but you're working 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. So I don't know how sustainable this is, especially if you're gonna get deactivated from one of these apps by doing multi-apping. And then also, the fact of the matter is your car is gonna get burnt out doing this. You're gonna be struggling, you're gonna need a new car eventually. So anyways, that's the reality with 2,000 bucks a week on PostMates. It's just, you gotta basically do multiple apps. So check out my link below to the Faceless YouTube channel program. Again, there is a 30-day free trial right now, so when you do sign up, you will get access to, trying it out for 30 days and learning how to set up your channel, hopefully getting monetized very quickly. and you know, learning how to gain success. Again, this is coming from somebody who has over 1 million followers on YouTube. I've been using the Faceless YouTube channel method for over 5 years now. I was able to buy this house in SoCal, and YouTube Faceless channel changed my life, guys. I used to do minimum wage jobs, credit card debt, overdraft fees, working all these jobs at the same time. But yeah, YouTube was the answer for me. Maybe it will be for you. So check it out below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Bye now.